Hey, what's up? I wanted to make a quick update video on where I'm at with this bobber build over here. Let's get to it. So I'm really excited. I got myself a wheel that I've been looking for, and now it's a matter of saving up money for the tire that I want to go on there. And once I get those two together, I can place the fender exactly where it needs to be. The wheel diameter is actually smaller than the stock one off the 80, and the tire size will probably be thinner than the stock one, so I want to make sure that all the ratios work out and the fender sits where it needs to be, where it looks right and works well. So I went to start into the forward controls and to heat up and bend some pipe. Well, the oxygen tank was completely empty, and so I had a feeling that the regulator was leaking. So I ended up taking the regulator off. I brought it to the local supply store, and they looked at it, sent it somewhere, had it evaluated, and they told me it was going to cost more to fix this, well, a regulator like that, than buying a new one. And so I was like, alright, I guess I'll just buy a new one. Well, that ate up a lot of my saving money that I had for my project, so that slowed everything down quite a bit. But now I got a new oxygen tank and a new regulator, and I'm ready to rock. The next step is definitely going to be getting a new tire for the rear wheel, so I can place the fender where it needs to go. I got to work on the gas tank as well as save money for bars, work on the forward controls. Got a lot of work ahead of me, but I've been excited about where the build is going, and I hope you guys are too. Please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and you guys be safe out there.